Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I really appreciate you for watching my videos all the time. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make a reverse parking or back in parking. Reverse parking or back in parking. In the test center, the examiner can ask you to make a back in parking or reverse parking, which means the same. As soon as he or she asks you to make a reverse parking or back in parking, start counting 3 parking lots, starting from where you're gonna park by counting 1, 2, 3. And also make sure you have created a 2-meter gap between the edge of the yellow line and your vehicle. Between the edge of the yellow line and your vehicle, like what is demonstrated on the screen right now. Create that 2-meter gap between your vehicle and the edge of the yellow line, and then move or start moving slowly and line up your shoulder to the middle of the third lot, which is number 3, and stop. Change gear into reverse, which is the R. Change gear into reverse, which is the R. Or you're gonna put your gear into reverse, which is letter R. As you line up the shoulder to the middle of the third lot or the right side mirror to the last line of the third lot, then you put the gear. You put the gear into reverse. Put it into reverse. Then you turn the wheel all the way to the right to the end. Keep it still. Check 360 degrees around you before you back up. So now that you have turned the wheel all the way to the end to the right, you change your gear all the way to reverse. Then you release your brake a little bit. Release the brake a little bit. Don't speed. This is a parking. You are just parking. You are not driving on the normal highway. So you release the brake a little bit. The car is gonna come back, or it's gonna back up a little bit smoothly. So you release the brake. As soon as you release the brake, start backing up slowly. Start backing up. Start backing up smoothly. As you are backing up, check around you 360 degrees. Make sure you are safe. Make sure you are not hitting anybody's vehicle as you are backing up. Check left and right. Slowly. Then you stop. So the reason why you have to stop is to stop and turn the wheel or recover the wheel and keep it straight. So now you make a 2-turn. 1, 2 to keep the wheel straight. As you keep the wheel straight, start checking around you 360 degrees. Make sure you are safe. Now that you have straightened your wheel, you keep backing up. So you keep backing up a little bit because you are still out of the road. So you keep backing until you find yourself even in the parking lot. So as you can see, we are 100% even in the parking lot. The vehicle is fully parked. You put it into parking. Put it into parking and lift your handbrake up. This is how to make a successful reverse parking. Thank you for watching the video.